Children, next we are going to learn about relation between equilibrium constants for some reversible reactions. Consider a reaction XA plus YB giving LC plus MD. For forward reaction, A plus B giving C plus D. In such a case, equilibrium constant Kc is used. Now consider the reversible reaction LC plus MD giving, that is LC plus MD giving XA plus YB. This case K dash C is used. What is K dash C? That is reciprocal of Kc, that is 1 by Kc. Now suppose a reaction A giving B, constant K1 is used, B giving C, K2 is used, C giving D, K3 is used. So reaction A to D means K4 term is used. So what is K4? K1 into K2 into K3. These are the sum of the constants used in a reversible reaction. Now we can calculate equilibrium constant for a heterogeneous equilibria. Consider CaCO3, that is a solid, giving CaO solid plus carbon dioxide gas. Now here write for Kc is equal to concentration of CaO solid into concentration of CO2 gas by CaCO3 concentration solid. This is the Kc term. Here pure solid has same concentration at a given temperature. That has the same concentration. So concentration of pure solid is a constant, kept constant. So the above expression becomes Kc is equal to concentration of CO2 gas. If it is a partial pressure of, that is Kp, is equal to pressure of CO2 gas. This term only used. This is for heterogeneous equilibria. One more example we can write. CO2 gas plus H2O liquid giving H plus aqueous plus HCO3 minus aqueous. Writing Kc for this reaction, Kc is equal to H plus concentration, that is aqueous, into HCO3 minus concentration, that is aqueous, both aqueous, by CO2 gas concentration, H2O liquid, aqueous gas, all are same. Liquid, here pure liquid is a constant at a given temperature. So thereby expression becomes Kc is equal to H plus concentration, HCO3 minus concentration by CO2 gas concentration. Liquid value becomes constant. That is constant concentration of pure liquid is also kept as constant. So based upon this, what are the applications of equilibrium constant? Equilibrium constant is used to predict, number one, direction. Direction means whether it is a forward reaction, otherwise backward reaction. Forward from left to right, backward means from right to left. Number two, extent of reaction. Whether it is reversible or irreversible, the extent of reaction it tells. Number three, it is used to calculate the equilibrium concentrations of the reactants and products. Based upon these three: direction, extent of reaction, concentrations of reactants and products, elaborately we can see in the next class.